Hi, we are group 7. My name is Konjac, and we have 4 other members in our group. They are Debbie, Ioi, Kendra, and Kathleen. Our project is called a laundry room server. The motivation that makes us come up with this idea is because in a traditional laundry room, we cannot know the availability in advance. Also, we always forget to pick up our laundry. Therefore, we come up with some useful tools to allow the users to register and check the availability of the laundry machines and get some other useful related information.
As you can see, Flash app talks to our database laundry rooms. We have 2 main endpoints and 4 sub endpoints. In our machine's endpoints, we have requests that work with general machine lists. In our machine's ID endpoints, we have 4 requests to work with and manipulate a specific machine. Next slide.
For our database, we use MySQL. The database is in its own Docker container. Each record has 8 fields: machine ID, machine status, room, direction, user ID, is occupied, notified phone number, notified email, which is all fields are varchar except for is occupied, which is winged. Next slide.
So these are all our endpoints. There's the basic ones, which are just the intro and initialize database. Then the main ones are machines and machine ID. So machines is for all machines where you can list them, fix all the broken ones, or add a new machine. And machine ID is for the specific machine with the given ID. So you can get info about it or register a user to the machine, then start the timer. So this we use a worker async queue to use Twilio and Mailgun APIs to both text and email the user after 45 minutes when their laundry is done. Then for put, there's you can modify any of the elements of the machine, and if the status becomes down, then it notifies the user of that. There's also delete, and then there's 3 get endpoints for time, weather, and location, which is to give helpful information for whether you can get your how you can get your laundry.
We built 4 containers for the application. The app container will interact with MySQL and Redis containers, and the worker listen to the Redis server for a job to be enqueued. That's it for our explanation. Now let's show you a demonstration.
Okay, so this is our demo. This is our intro request. That's where I'm going to reinitialize the database. And if you go back here, you'll see our database being initialized. If I want to fix all machines, I would just simply send a patch request, and you see 2 machines are being fixed. Right now, you'll see these 2 machines is down. Right now, if I send a request, you'll see the 2 machines being ready again. Okay, if I want to buy new machines, I'll just simply send a post request, and a new machine is being created. And if I want to get information about that machine, it'll show all the information you needed for that machine. And if you go back to the database, send another get request, you'll see we now have our new washers. Okay, let's say I don't want this machine anymore. I want to sell it. So I'm going to go send a delete request, and that machine is being deleted. If you go back here, you won't see the new washer anymore. Okay, so let's say I want to register a user for to use washer 1. I'll simply go to our machine washer 1, send a post request with all the information, make sure the status is none, and then it will generate the jobs to simulate 45 seconds, as you can see right here, 4 seconds. Should be 45 minutes, but I'll make it 4 seconds just to be short. And right now I'm getting emails right here that's saying, okay, my job's finished. If I refresh it, you'll see an email being sent 0 minutes ago. So if let's say I want to occupy this machine while I'm using it, you see you cannot register because it's being occupied by me. Let's say now I want to be done with this machine, so I'm gonna go to status, done, and the entry is finished, and it'll be ready to be registered again, as you can see. Okay, let's say I want to during the job this machine is down, so I'm gonna put washer 1 down. It'll send also a message, an email to the user saying, okay, the machine you're using is down. If you go here, you see the washer machine. You see washer 1 is down. Okay, and if I want to fix this manually, I'll do ready and then change any name information I want. It'll say, okay, machine's working, and then your change is being made. And these are get time, weather, and locations. These are all the details useful that we get from the external API. That's basically our demo for our LaundryRoom API. Thank you for listening.